However, choosing the right business opportunity is most critical wherever you decide to do business. Here we have compiled trending and profitable small business ideas you can start with less money in the United States of America. The fulcrum of U.S. culture is the American dream. Americans believe that every individual can succeed and prosper financially by working hard. This belief contributes to a strong work ethic and a system that is merit-based. American business culture is also characterized by a heavy emphasis on individual initiative and achievement. Personal competence, professionalism, and accountability for individual performance are highly appreciated. Broadly, there are 3 ways to start a small business in the United States. They are starting a business from scratch, buy a franchise, or buying an existing business. Let's have a look at our recommended list of best small business opportunities in the United States if you are looking forward to starting from scratch. 1. Become a transcriber. According to research conducted by the international marketing research firm Markets, the speech recognition industry is expected to reach $12 billion by the end of 2022. The job of a transcriber is to convert an audio file into a text document. If you are interested to become a professional transcriber, check our detailed article on how to become a transcriptionist and make money. 2. Cleaning services. With a wide growing market, the cleaning service business can be segregated into 2 different markets. One is domestic or household and another is commercial or office cleaning. This is definite that you will be paid higher by your commercial clients. You can start this business from your home location and on a part-time basis also. 3. Become a life coach. There are many individuals who love to share pains and provide counseling to other people. If you are the one having a similar attitude and are passionate about helping people, becoming a life coach is a rewarding business. 4. Daycare. Full-time work engagement of parents has turned the daycare service into a profitable business. You can start small from your home location then gradually grow into a commercial business. In the United States, you must have a proper license and permission from the government authority to start your own day service business. 5. Fitness center. The fitness center business demands careful planning and research. It is an industry that continues to be lucrative for small businesses and entrepreneurs globally. The fitness center industry will hardly see a recession ever, and an individual having knowledge and experience in the fitness center industry can initiate this business with a little capital investment in the USA. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates.